Hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on a Thursday, June the 17th, 2021. I've already solved the the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku, 2 puzzles left, tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle, but first we will solve this binary puzzle, this baby, and this one will be a number. Let me see, number 2963. Yes, 2963. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. A double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here one. Oh, sorry. Double one, here an O. There no. Almost made a mistake. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Then I need to compare, I think. Well, we have here 3 ones in this column. If I place number 4 here, then those 2 boxes should be an O. Then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. Alright. Let me think. 3. Okay. Yeah. I think we need to compare. Yeah, with this column and that column. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1 here, no, there no. Double O here, 1 there 1. 4 ones we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Double O here, 1, there 1. 4 ones we have, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have, so the rest are ones. Then we need to compare, I think. Do we have a 101 here? Yes. Yeah. This column and that column. Alright. 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. 0 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch this one and that one. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have in this row, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright. Great. Binary, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds, with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.